Back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Roblox error code 277. So the first step to fix error, we have to go to our control panel. Watch this video till end so you can know how to fix error. So we'll go to network and sharing center. After that we have to go on change adapter settings. Now we have to click on Wi-Fi and properties. We have to click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now we have to click use the following DNS server address. Now in here we have to click 8888 and down there we have to click 8448. After this we have to click validate settings of one exit. We have to click OK and OK. After this Google will detect some problems, so we have to close our troubleshooter and close this control panel. So after this we have to search add or remove programs. To click on here. Now we have to click Roblox. We have to click Roblox. So this is a Roblox player, so we have to uninstall the Roblox player. So we have to click on Roblox player and you have to click open file location. After we have to delete all this, delete. So the Roblox local app data has been cleared. So now the third step is we have to go to our tab, and now we have to go to our Google settings, and here we have to go to privacy and security, and now we scroll down in here. Now we have to click on cookies and other site data, and now we have to click on see all data and permissions. Now we have to click on Roblox. So we have to clear the Roblox site data and clear. So after these steps we have to go to our CMD. So now after these settings, restart your PC. The error 277 Roblox will be solved. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Love is bye.